think that is to bring back bullying?
We need to bring back bullying.
Bring back bullying!
I think bullying is a necessary part of child development.
I hate bringing this up because I know that's a touchy subject, but there are too many young girls now taking their lives to bullying, and it's not okay. It's not cute, and it makes you look bad. Every time you gossip, it's because you think you're better than someone else, so you feel like you can gossip about them because you think that you have authority over that. But actually, in reality, it's vice versa.